Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw Super Saiyan Gogeta from movie Fusion Reborn. The design is complicated, but I know you can do it guys. So let's go. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create a new layer for the rough sketch. Start by creating the pose. No need to be detailed for the pose. When you're done with the pose, turn down the opacity to 40%, then create another new layer. Then, start drawing the details. Remember to pay attention of the proportion in this phase. Oh yeah, you can always create another new layer to make you see clearer. You can merge them in the end. When you are done with the sketch, time to continue to create the outline. You can start from anywhere you like. Remember to create every details in this phase. Now the outline is perfect. Time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference. See the image above as example. Reference is needed, so you can just drop the mid-tone color another layer. Now, create one layer for one color only. See the image above as example. Then, drop the mid-tone colors. After you're done, create one layer above every mid-tone color and set them as clipping mask. See the image above as example. Now, pick the darker color, then start to create the shadow tone. Repeat this step to make 3 tones color. Remember to imagine about where the light will come from. You do that, then coloring is the most fun part of drawing. Good luck everyone. I will explain about how to create the light effect. First, add one layer above every available layer. Then make gradation of orange to purple from left side to right side. Change the blending mode to overlay, then set it to 30%. Then, let's create the Soul Punisher effect. Draw some random purple and blue wind-like circle. Then white perfect circle. Then, copy-paste the layer and set the blending mode to add. Use Gaussian blur feature to make it glow. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.